Hi everyone. Thanks for taking a minute to watch our brief introduction about National Night Out. I want to invite the entire community to our National Night Out event this year, Tuesday, August the 7th, from 5:30 to 8 p.m. here in front of City Hall at 1685 Main Street. As you guys know, we have a theme each year for National Night Out, and our theme this year is unity. To talk about and further and promote that unity, we're having our National Night Out event in one location here in front of City Hall so that we can bring everyone together in one group to meet and talk and mix and get to know each other. And to that end, we're doing an art project this year that you'll want to be part of and you won't want to miss. This is a unity art project, and what it is meant to do is to show each one of us that we identify ourselves in certain ways. As a parent, as a peace officer, as a teacher, as a fill in the blank for yourself. And when we're done with that at the end, what we will have is an art piece that represents the community of Santa Monica and shows how each one of us may be individual in our own ways, but we all share common labels, common paths in life, and common things that matter to each one of us. Please come to our National Night Out event. I look forward to meeting you, and I look forward to having you be part of our art project and help us build and weave together this beautiful fabric that is our community and our city of Santa Monica. See you there.